How do panelized railing systems differ from traditionally site fabricated or site welded railings?
Panelized railing systems differ from site fabricated systems because when you're talking about a fabricated system, that's something that's either going to be assembled and welded in a shop and then installed on the job site, or it's going to be assembled and welded and put in place on site at the job. So there's extreme skilled labor involved with that. You have to have someone that's very skilled with welding and precision welding to be able to accomplish those aesthetics and make sure everything's structurally sound. When you're talking about a panelized system, everything shows up to the job ready to be cut and put in place. The level of skill for the labor is significantly less and can be taught in minutes to hours. I would say those two big things are the differentiators.